Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to read the watch time graph in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking Analytics in the left sidebar to open your channel analytics page, where you'll see the overview dashboard with key metrics and a graph showing your channel's performance over time. Hover over the watch time hours metric card just above the graph to see a tooltip with the definition. This metric tracks the total hours viewers have spent watching your content. To change the date range for the graph, click the Date Range drop-down in the top right corner of the Analytics section to see all available time period options. For this example, I'm selecting Last 90 days from the drop-down, and the graph updates automatically to show your watch time trend across that 90-day period. The watch time graph updates in real time, so you can check back throughout the day to see how new uploads are performing. If the graph isn't showing data for recent days, that's normal. YouTube sometimes takes up to 48 hours to process analytics for the most recent content. You can compare watch time against views or subscribers by clicking those metric cards above the graph to overlay different data sets. The date range you select here applies to all the metrics on the Overview tab, not just the graph, so if your numbers look unexpectedly low, check that you haven't accidentally narrowed the range. That's how to read the watch time graph in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.